Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Volkswagen Touran on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see reversing sensors and 7 seats in place at the moment. You can, of course, fold these rear seats down to give you more boot space, and as you can see there, it's very easy to do that. You can also fold down the 3 remaining seats should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the vehicle. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles for this car, which are only 6,594. So very low mileage for the car's age. You can change the display above that for various different menus, as you can see. The driving data menu is where you'll find all your bits of trip computer, fuel economy information, and how much fuel you have in the car, for example. All those menus are changed using the buttons just here and here. We have our stereo controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control. This car has adaptive cruise control, meaning that it is able to speed up and slow down based on the car in front's speed. And you can adjust that using this button just here. Into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen. So a few labelled buttons down the right and left-hand sides. For example, the radio, which is what we're on at the moment. Where you can see we have FM, DAB and internet radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so under My Media, so you can set up your own playlists, Bluetooth audio, once you've paired your phone, of course, and you can stream certain streaming services on here as well. And you have the same options whether you go through your radio or media menu. You can see just there the same options on both. We have our phone, of course. Once you've paired your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music, as you've seen. We can use the satellite navigation. Nice clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. You can access any Volkswagen friendly app, including Android, also an Apple CarPlay, depending on the phone you have. We have various different car settings and then our main menu. Below that, we have dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. That button turns your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, of course. Or hit auto. The car, as you can hear, will take full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can override that whenever you wish to. Underneath that, we can open the tailgate from inside the car. I'll come back to this button in just a moment. We can turn the parking sensors on and off. You can turn the stop and start on and off. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. And you can change the driving setup of the car from eco to normal, sport or individual. And then to this button, when you give that a push, this car's got autonomous parking. So it will tell you on here what to do, but essentially it can take control of the steering for you so that you can park your car. We have a 12-volt charging socket, 2 USB-C inputs, plenty of storage there. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox to go along with the 360 parking, or the parking, autonomous parking, I should say. We also got a colour parking camera as well. So very easy to park this car with the parking sensors on top of all of that. And as I say, the rest of your gears highlighted just there. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function and 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you, sir.